everyone, welcome to Aru's channel. Now I'm going to review the Dolen's automatic washing machine, which is in model DWT260S LVS Plus. That's mean it works on the low voltage as well. So first talking about how to use it. This is actually touch system. First we have to use the power button. Then there are programs that automatically sets our washing time, rinsing time, spin or water level. Depending upon your cloth texture, fabric, winter stuff or summer stuff, you can easily choose from these like fast, energy saver, soft, child, foam clean. This will automatically set the water level. So the most important thing about is you will ask is about its price. Back in 2019 I bought it for 56,000. I am pretty sure that now in this era of inflation it is 2 or 3 times of the previous price. That means it will above 1 lakh or maybe 150 plus. If this falls in your budget, this is a good investment for all the working ladies who want to do their house chores in only one go. You have to simply add to your class and do other works, and when it's raining you just have to spread this in the open area. So it's so talking about its capacity, it's 9 kg. You can easily add 4 to 5 suit with the waters in it, and it will wash them very good. It doesn't get rust. Its tub is made of pure steel, and you can add detergent from this box. And you can if you want to do spin separately, you can also do from it. And if you want to completely wash your cloth, that's easily get done. Okay, I made it apart from the home kitchen or cooking recipe. If you like these kind of video, let me know in the comment section. And like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Allah Hafiz.